Thanks, my viewers, this evening, wherever you are tuning in from. This is the Voice of Hope TV, and I am your host, Mr. Ken Wanyonyi. I am a professional electronics and home appliances consultant. This evening, I want us to go through a topic by the name, how to maintain and service your LG and Samsung washing machine at home. Welcome, and let us go through this crucial topic for every home owner. Remember, regular maintenance of your washing machine extends its lifespan, and it ensures efficient operation. Regular maintenance and servicing of your LG or Samsung washing machine increases its lifespan, and it actually provides efficient operation. So, point number one, safety first. Safety first. Before starting any maintenance work, unplug the washer. Always disconnect the power to avoid electrical dangers. Turn off water supply. Ensure all the water valves are closed to prevent leaking. Number two, clean the lint filter. Clean the lint filter. This is important because a lint filter ensures a better and efficient operation of your machine, and it prevents clogging. And how do you do this? How do you clean the lint filter? First of all, locate where the lint filter is. Usually, it's at the bottom front of the machine. At the bottom front of your machine. Open the cover and remove the filter. Open the cover and remove the filter. Clean out any lint or debris. Clean out any lint or debris. Rinse the filter under running water. Rinse the filter under running water. Reinsert the filter and close the cover. Reinsert the filter and close the cover. Check and clean reinsert the filter and close the cover. Point number three, check and clean the soap dispenser. Check and clean the soap dispenser. This is important because a dirty dispenser can cause mold and affect your washing performance. The following are the steps on how to remove and wash the soap dispenser. Remove the soap drawer by pulling it out. Pull it out. Soak the drawer in warm soapy water. Use a small brush to clean any residues. Rinse and dry the drawer thoroughly. Replace or rinse and dry the drawer thoroughly. Replace the drawer and ensure it slides back into its place properly. Point number 4, inspect and clean the drum. Inspect and clean the drum. This is important because it prevents funny smell from your machine and it maintains the washing efficiency. The following are the steps on how to check and clean the drum. Run a cleaning cycle if your washer has one. Because we are talking about how to service and maintain LG and Samsung washing machine, I believe and trust that on your machine, there's one such function. On LG, it's called tap clean, and on Samsung, it's called drum clean. And so run a cleaning cycle if your washer has one, using a drum cleaner or white vinegar. Using a drum cleaner or white vinegar. And for manual cleaning, use a cloth dipped in a mixture of water and mild detergent to wipe the drum's interior. Leave the door open after cleaning to let the drum dry up completely and prevent the mold growth. Leave the door open after cleaning to let the drum dry completely, and this prevents mold growth. Number 5, examine the hoses. This is important because it ensures there are no leaks or blockages that could cause water damage. Examine the hoses. This is important because it ensures there are no leaks or blockages that could cause water damage. And the following are the steps to follow while examining the hoses. Inspect the water inlet and drain hoses for cracks or bulges. Ensure the connections are tight and secure. Check for any clogs in the hoses. Replace the damaged hoses promptly. Run a maintenance wash. That's number 6. Run a maintenance wash. That's number 6. This is important because it helps to remove any detergents, residues, and keep the machine fresh. And the following are the steps to follow. Set your washer on the hottest setting. Add washing machine cleaner or a cup of white vinegar. Run the cycle without any laundry. Run the cycle without any laundry. This will help to remove any buildup inside the drum and pipes. Number 6, regularly check for error codes. This is important because early detection of issues can prevent major problems. Regularly check for error codes. This is important because early detection or detection of issues can prevent major problems. And the following are the steps to follow while checking the error codes. Refer to your washer's user manual for a list of error codes. These are available in many cases at the back of your user manual. If you encounter any codes, follow the troubleshooting steps provided. For persistent issues, consult a professional technician. In this case, you can call me on my number 0725 5217 and 36. And so in conclusion, maintaining your LG and Samsung washing machine doesn't have to be complicated. By following these simple steps, cleaning the lint filter, cleaning the detergent dispenser, cleaning the drum, inspecting the hoses, running a maintenance wash, and checking the error codes, you can keep your washer in top condition and avoid costly repairs. And so if you enjoyed this short video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more useful tips. And do